Come into tabletop position. Stack your palms beneath your shoulder, knees beneath your hip. Place your left palm in line with your right shoulder, and then right palm take it towards your right side. So we're going to do a cat and cow in this little bit, slightly arching towards your right side. Now inhale, stick your tailbone, drop your belly, lift your heart center, look forward. Exhale, chin to the collarbone, draw your belly, lift your sternum, posterior tilt, tuck the tailbone. Inhale, continue. Exhale, flexion. Inhale, spinal extension. Exhale, flexion. Inhale, extension. Now this time while exhaling, rest your buttocks on the heels. Inhale, forward. Exhale, back. Inhale, forward. Exhale, back. Inhale, forward. Exhale, back. Inhale, forward. Now this time, tuck your toes, lift your knees. A little bit looks like awkward downward facing dog, but you get very good stretch in the left side of your obliques. Those deep muscles of your lower back. 3. Breathe in and breathe out. 2. 1. Lower your knees down. Walk your hands back to the mat beneath your shoulders. Now same on the other side. Walk your hands towards your left side. Inhale, cat and cow. Stick your tailbone. Exhale, tuck the tailbone. Round your spine. Inhale, extension. Exhale, flexion. Inhale, extension. Exhale, flexion. Inhale, extension. Exhale, flexion. Now change the variation. Inhale, extension. Exhale, rest your buttocks on the heels. Inhale, forward. Exhale, back. 3 more. Inhale, forward. Exhale, back. Inhale, forward. Exhale, back. This time, inhale, forward. Exhale, downward facing dog variation. Keep your knees soft. Extend your both elbow. Feel that right side of your waist. 1, 2, and 3. Lower your knees down. Walk your hands beneath your shoulder. Back to the mat. Tabletop. Now, knees in the same position. Bring your left knee behind your left palm and take your left shin across and slide your right leg back. Keep your right toe tucked. Drop your right knee and extend your hands. When walk your hands towards your right side and left side a little bit wider. Keep your fingertips. While exhaling, flex your elbow like a 90-degree angle. Imagine you're going to drop your chin down towards the mat between your hands. Inhale up, elongate your spine. Exhale, lower. Inhale up and exhale, lower. Variation, you can take the blocks for your left buttocks. Inhale up, exhale, lower. Now bring your both the forearms down beneath your shoulder, elbow beneath your shoulder. You can stay here, option 1. If you want a little bit deep stretch, rise your left hand up and stay for 3, 2, 1. Lower your left forearm down. Walk your hands beneath your shoulder. Lift your torso. Lower your left buttocks down. Extend your right leg towards the right side. And keep your right heel down. Extend your right knee. Engage your right quadriceps. Take your left heel close to the root of your left thigh. And take your right hand inside. If you're comfortable, take your right elbow inside your right inner thigh. With support of your right elbow, broaden your left side of the body. Reach your left hand up and exhale. Lean towards your right side. Inhale, center. Exhale, drop your left hand. Reach your right hand over. Lean towards your left side. Inhale, center. Exhale, lean towards your right. Inhale, center. Exhale, towards your left. Inhale, center. Exhale, right. Inhale, center. Exhale, left. Inhale, back to center. Now this time extend your left leg. It's not wide leg forward bend. Kind of a little bit wider is okay. Now exhale, lower your hands down. We're going to pulse our torso a few times. Center. Take hands either side of your left leg. Again, lean forward. Center. And towards your right leg. Center. Left. Exhale, down. Inhale up. 1. Right side. Center. left side, center, right side, center, left side, center. Inhale, reach your hands. Exhale, flex your left knee again. Lower your hands in front of your left knee or left shin. Swing your right leg back. Tuck your right toe. Exhale, come into child's pose. We're going to repeat on the other side. Bring your right knee behind your right palm. Right shin across the mat. Now release your left toe. Take your left toe. Now we'll do it on the other side. Come upon your palm. Slide your right knee behind your right palm. Right shin across the mat. Tuck your left toe. You can slide your left leg a little more deeper if you want to. Make sure you're bringing that left pelvis facing down to the mat. If it's not happening, if you're slouching on the one side, use the block or small height underneath your right hip. Now take your hands a little bit wider, maybe outside the mat. Inhale, elongate your spine. A little bit lift your sternum up, create that spinal extension, and exhale, round your spine and twist your head. Inhale up, exhale, lower. Inhale up, exhale, lower. Inhale up, exhale, lower. Bring your both the forearms down beneath your shoulder. Lift your torso. You can stay here. If you want a little bit challenging, rise your right hand up and breathe. 1, 2, and 3. Lower your right forearm down. Walk your palm beneath your shoulder. Lift your torso. Lower your right buttocks. Extend your left leg towards your left side. Press your left heel down and extend your left knee. Left elbow inside your left knee. You can ground your left palm. Reach your right hand. Inhale and exhale. Lean towards your left side. Inhale, center. Lower your right hand towards your right side. Exhale, lean towards your right. Repeat 3 more. Inhale, center. Exhale, lean towards your left. Inhale, center. Exhale, lean towards your right. Inhale, center. Exhale, lean towards your left. Last one. Inhale, center. Exhale, lean towards your right. Inhale, back to center. Exhale, extend your right knee. Lower your hands down. Now we're going to pulse, same like how you did on the other side. Flex your elbow, lower your torso, and take your hands either side of your left leg. Exhale, lower. Again, back to center, towards your right leg. Continue. Center, left, center, right. Center, left, center, right. One last time. Center, left, center, right. Back to center. Reach your hands all the way up. Exhale, lower your hands. Flex your right knee. External rotation in the right hip. Hands in front of your right knee. Swing your left leg back. Tuck your left toe. Drop your left knee. Bring your right leg back into child's pose. One deep inhalation. And exhale through your mouth. Come upon your palm, on your knees. Cross your ankle. Walk your hands back and come into seated position. Extend your legs forward and slowly lie down on your back. We need bolster. Keep the bolster by the side of you. Okay, now keep your feet apart until edge of the mat. So heels on the mat and toes off the mat. Take your hands to the sideways, palms facing down. Inhale. While exhaling, lower your knees, both the knees towards your left side and chin towards your right shoulder. Inhale, center. Exhale, knees towards your right side and chin towards your left side. Continue. Inhale, exhale towards your left. Inhale, exhale towards your right. Inhale, exhale towards your left. Inhale, exhale towards your right. Inhale, exhale towards your left. Stay here. Place your left ankle above your right knee. Deep breath here. 1, 2, and 3. Release your left ankle. Bring your knees to the center and drop your knees to the right side. Place your right ankle above your left knee. Chin towards your left shoulder. Deep breath. 1, 2, and 3. Release your right ankle. Bring your knees to the center. Exhale, hug your knees. Gentle roll to the side, massage your lower back. If you're comfortable, rock forward and back a few times. Lie down, use the bolster, take the bolster underneath your knees. This gives you a good relaxation for your lower back. Sometimes we create the tension when we lie down in Shavasana, so we want complete relaxation in Shavasana. Place your right palm at the navel center and left palm just above your chest below the collarbone. Relax your shoulders, rest your elbow. Close your eyes. Inhale deeply and exhale through your mouth. Inhale deeply and exhale through your mouth. Just observe the movements in your abdomen and your chest muscles. You can stay down in Shavasana. Whenever you are ready, you can roll on to your one side and then slowly, with support of your hands, come into seated position. Namaste. Thank you. Namaste. Thank you.